I feel like a girl with long nails when I do Instagram because I gotta go like this. Are you recording? Everybody give this guy shit for wearing fucking as bad as Bob's. I don't know what those are, but Tina wears Bob's. She gets shit. You give him shit for those shoes. You give him shit for sweatpants. You give him shit for that fucking sweater. I'm all geared up, man. Blue punch Bucky, no punchbacks. Are you gonna? Do you want to go to Leslie and Lakeshore? Yeah, cause I'm getting tired too, man. 6 for a pussy. Oh, he's like my mother. He's like, you need to eat because you're tired. But I don't remember seeing a Montana's. I used to work here. They're there? 9065, yeah. Okay. So this way? He thinks so? Because I know I used to drive by here every time and I've never seen a Montana's before. But I didn't really look for it, so I probably didn't notice it. Pull over, pull over. Let's see who's right. Bruh, 13 minutes. Let's find out. Right on Airport Road. Wait, what? Turn right towards Airport Road. Turn left towards... Turn right towards... Turn left onto Airport Road. This is Airport Road. No, it's Derry. Where's Airport Road? Are you sure? Right. We are on Airport Road, man. Oh. This is 6969. Okay, yo. Bro, I think we're supposed to go this way. I'm starving, man.
Hold on. 6969. No, we have to go this way. That's 6900. This is 6969. So it's that way. We just have to look out for 9,000.
Oh, no, you're right, because Dixon is this way. Yeah. So continue. Turn left onto Airport Road. Continue on to Dixon. Dude, I think 1 in a million, you might be right. The first time you're right. Oh man, I'm gonna eat a freaking meal and I wish it was wings, but Jack on Track wants ribs. I am going to kill Jack on Track if he doesn't get ribs. Because he wanted to go to Montana's for all you can eat ribs. Don't say anything. Jack on Track, if you're watching this shit, because I know you watch both of us, you're gonna get in so much trouble if you don't get your ribs, bro. Because I've been craving wings for so long. I love wings, man. If you guys watch my life vlog of the motorcycle show with Tina and a subscriber actually came down from the States to meet us and we chilled with her for 2 days, actually. We took her to the CN Tower and stuff like that. This is where we walk down the street on my life vlog and stuff like that. These lights are killing me. Uh-oh. 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 Now we got it. He went to neutral. He went to neutral. He went to neutral. Morning Star. You know, ooh. Morning Star reminds me of a weapon that you can get on Tibia. Tibia was a MMORPG, what did it stand for? Something role-playing game. Multi-mass online role-playing game, something like that. And Tibia I played for 10 years, and I know a few subscribers played Tibia. I got up to like level 230 back when it was like an achievement. Now everybody's level 200. But I stopped playing a few years ago. But Tibia was one of those games that I lost my life in because I got addicted, man. I got addicted. You know how people get addicted to World of Warcraft? That's how I was with Tibia. It's a very old school game, but I used to love it, and then they ruined it by doing updates and stuff like that. If you have any childhood games that you played and were addicted to, let me know. I'm down to see what you guys, you know, played. I'm in my mid-20s, so that's what I played. Tibia came out in like 1998, or I think, or some shit. I remember already in 6th gear. Oh my god. He said 200. We're at 7,900. We're looking for 9,000. He said we need 200 more. At Cosmic Signs. At Cosmic Signs. Fucking Instagram, yo. Hey, if you see this video, go to at Cosmic Signs Instagram and be like, hey, you were in 6'4" Honda's video. Why does this thing keep opening? It's weird. Let her know that she was in 6'4's video. Dog life, yo. Dog life. Oh, cool. EB Games. Cool stuff, bro. Do it, do it, do it. Do it. Also craving some Krispy Kremes right now. I had Krispy Kreme like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And I am definitely craving it. No, it was a week ago, my birthday week. 2 weeks ago, a week ago? I don't know, whatever. Oh my god. I think it's here. I think he was hinting that it was here. Did Dan just fuck us up? I'm gonna kill him if Montanus isn't here. This guy on his phone on a stop sign. There they are. Yo, we ended up all coming late. There's no room, man. You guys didn't leave us room. Yo, Dan got us lost.
I got us here.
No. How you doing, man? Chilling. Yo.
I got us here.
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like,
this
so like my
is
shit.
A PS Records production.